I have a workshop or bench space. So instead of working on that poor old thing, I mean the table, for the last year or so, I actually now have bench space. So, pretty happy. I'm still organising a lot of things, boards, hard drives, RAMs, just more boards, laptops, more bits and pieces. This is the stuff that's for sale. I'm fiddling with this one at the moment, trying to get it going. Testing a couple of TVs, so I've tested this one, and we can see that even though the screen is not cracked, it is internally, but in saying that, I can sell the legs off it and the power board, because I know it does switch on and the power board works. I'm just about to try this one. But yeah, happy days, happy days. A few more there, a couple more there, and there's more outside, and a big box of stuff. But yeah, we're starting to get organised, which is really good, really good. Got things a little bit more organised. I'm rather happy with that. TV still go. Still got that box. More things there on eBay. Still fiddling with that. It's got an startup loop. Yeah, got to figure out how to fix that. Just my bench, and about to do these CRT TVs. I won't go through it because you've probably seen plenty, but I'll show you the end results. Three TVs are done. We got this one here is a Transonic, small one. NEC and the Sony Trinitron. And here's the goodies. What a mess. What a mess. We'll start with the small one. One big board, heap of wires, and not a bad yoke. But yeah. There's some copper in that, fairly weighty. The gauzing cable was very thin, very small. Second one, no yoke, because I couldn't figure out how to get it off without actually breaking something. It was glued into place and I left it. I just didn't want to try. The gauzing cable on this one is a lot thicker, more boards, low grade but heavy. All the boards are heavy. And the Trinitron, the yoke on that, as you can see, covered in goop, but it's heavy, so that's one thing. And the gauzing cable on this is rather thick, as you can see, but yeah. So that's it for there. So I'm now going to pull all that shit apart. I'll put the yokes aside for later and sort it all out, do my wires, and then go on to the next project. So FBG E-WASTE is out. Hooroo!